My name is Ryan Christian. I am part of Ovals, and today we'll be taking a look at our website. Let's go. First, we want to upload photos. We can do that by clicking here. When we click this, our File Explorer will open. Here, we can find photos that we want to upload. Now say if we had a change of heart and didn't want to upload a certain photo, we can remove that photo by clicking on it. When we click continue, we'll move on to the image preview. Here we can see how it will look. We can change the position as well as its size. With our photos uploaded, we can now move on to the product page by either clicking the link products or by scrolling down. Here, we can narrow down our options by selecting filters for colors and size. We can narrow it down even further by selecting multiple filters. When we found a frame that we like, we can click on it. Here, we can see the frame, the name, its type, size, and price. If we scroll down, we can see the photos that we uploaded. If we click on them, the photo will appear in the frame. Say if we wanted to upload another photo to see how it will look, we can do that by clicking here. If everything looks correct and looks nice, we can choose to add it to our cart. In our cart page, we can see our frame, the name, its price, how many we have, and the total price. Total price will account for everything that's in the cart. Say if we wanted to have 5 frames, the price will adjust accordingly. If you're not happy with a frame, you can always choose to remove it from your cart. But if everything looks good, you can move on to the payment page. Here, you can put in your personal information. Either sign in with PayPal or pay with a debit or credit card. And when everything is done, you can choose to complete the order. If for whatever reason you have a problem or just need general help, you can go to our contact page. Here, you can put in your email, subject name, as well as the message that you would like to send. Hit submit, and it will be sent to ovalsproject@gmail.com. Alternatively, you can either call this number or contact us through Facebook.